आचार्य शंकराचार्य उपदेश श्री 212 प्रतिषेधुम अशक्यत्वान् नेति नेति इति शेषितम् idam naham iti adha प्रतिपद्यते. It is impossible to negate the self because self is the witness of the process of negation itself. Hence, that remains after all else is negated. By I am not this, self is clearly established. It means that I am not the body, not the senses, not the mind, not the intellect, and not the vital force, but I am the witness of all of them. अहम धीर इदम आत्मोत्था वाचारम मन गोचरा निषिद्धात्मोद भवत्वात् सा न पुनर्मानता ब्रजेत. The mistaken identity of the self with the body has its origin in the intellect, that is, the object portion of consciousness. Pure consciousness is non-object portion of consciousness. The intellect has its object based on words and forms only, nature and origin of which are negated by Chandogya Upanishad 6.146, which says, by knowing the lump of earth, all things made up of earth becomes none. All transformations such as pots etc. has words as its basis. If we extract clay from the clay pot, no pot shall remain there. Hence, it is name only. Same is the case with gold and its ornaments, and iron and its jars etc. After nature of the self has been known, body as the mistaken identity of the self, which carries on from birth to birth, shall never again be regarded as based on any evidence. Verse 2-3 says, Purva buddhim avaditva no uttara jayate mate, drisir eka swayam siddha phalatvat sono vadhite. Without negating the prior conclusion, a new conclusion cannot arise. Hence, right knowledge of the self does not arise without negating the previous ignorance about body and mind. Only pure consciousness, the self, has an independent existence and is never negated, as it is the result of evidences. Verse 2-4 says, Idam banam atikamya sok mohadi doshitam banang gandhar ko yadvat so atmanam pratipadite. A man from the country of Gandhar, lost miserably in the forest, reached his own country after being shown the path by a knower of the path. In the same way, one should cross this forest of identification filled with sorrow and infatuation by attaining one's own innermost self, which is the substratum of body, mind, intellect and vital force etc. by discriminating body and mind from the self.